Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm unboxing, demoing, reviewing for you this amazingly awesome Krystec Clear case. This is a Krystec case from ESR, and this is the one of the most advanced clear cases on the planet. This is for the iPhone 14 series, regular, plus, Pro, or Pro Max. They make it for all of those phones, and this is a really unique case. It is not just another Krystec Clear case. This uses their Krystec technology. This is technology that really only two manufacturers on the planet are using right now. ESR is one of them, and Apple is the other. Why is that? Well, let's first of all just take the Krystec Clear case. Let's look through this case, and you can see how crystal clear that is. Really allows the beauty of your iPhone to shine through, because you can see everything through it just perfectly. But what's unique about this case? Well, most clear cases, they try to use the least amount of TPU they can, because TPU is what tends to yellow over time. So they try to use as much PC as possible and not TPU. But only ESR and Apple have been able to minimize the amount of TPU as low as they have. They use a really unique process so that there's hardly any TPU, just the minimal amount of TPU that needs to be in there, and mostly PC, which does not yellow. And then additionally, they add a UV coating onto the case so that it will not yellow. It is so anti-yellowing that they offer a 24-month warranty on the case, and even after 2 years, there will be imperceivable yellowing. So that's how awesome this case is. Now we're going to stick this case on my phone so that you can see what it looks like actually on the phone. And here we go. Make sure it's in there firmly, and now you can see all the great features of it. As you can see, crystal clear. You can see the Apple logo. You can see the purple color, purple hue of the phone through there. Very nice and crystal clear, and again, will not yellow even over time. Let's look at some of the other great features. You've got these really easy press buttons on here. The volume button and the side power button. These are made from hard PC, and they're housed within slightly flexible TPU. So it kind of gives you a really good response. Like when you click that, you feel a nice good click. Completely covered, but you feel the click just as you would with the actual button. You got a nice cutout here for the Do Not Disturb button. Over here, the power button, same thing. Really nice click, really easy to, you feel that click. It's a nice, good click. And then on the bottom here, you've got the cutouts that you need. Perfect cutouts for the speaker, plenty wide enough cutout for the lightning port. And then in the corners, you've got these nice, you can see, slightly raised air cushions. So this case is very, very thin, but you've got these nice raised corners, most dangerous spots to drop a phone, and this will give you protection even if you happen to drop your phone and it hits the corner. You've got nice protection there to do the best you can to keep it from getting damaged. Over here on the back, you can see that it has this nice raised bezel all the way around the camera lenses, so those are going to be protected. You can lay your phone down flat without any issue, as well as on the front. You can see nice raised bezel all the way around the front to protect the face of your precious iPhone and keep that glass from touching anything if you lay it down flat on that side as well. As far as grip goes, very grippy. And like I said in the beginning, they minimize the amount of TPU they use in this and try to use more PC because that is what helps keep it from yellowing. But the grip is very, very nice. This is not going to slide around in your hand at all. It's very, very grippy. So really excellent on that front as well. Just an overall really excellent case from ESR. They do make some of the best iPhone accessories and cases on the market. And this, like I said, it's a one of a kind. Only them and Apple are using this technology because it is a really advanced technology to minimize the amount of TPU in the case. So it gives you a really nice, clear case. Anti-yellowing, looks really good, protects your phone, and gives you that crystal clear look. So if you're looking for a crystal clear case for your iPhone 14 series phone, then this is definitely the case to get, because it does have those extreme anti-yellowing properties. It's going to last longer than any other case, and it's going to protect your phone, but still nice, slim, minimalistic fit. So excellent case by ESR, and definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.